Hello guys, kumusta po tayo lahat? This is Julia again giving updates for the current or new job posting bound for Canada by different agencies. So these are all the vacancies: auto mechanic, welding inspector, auto, auto mechanic, same agency, welder fitter, couple housekeeper, welder fitter, CNC machinist, vinyl installer, farm worker. So this was posted last. So the latest here is last July 24, 2020. So we'll go all over for the qualifications and additional informations, documents that you need to prepare, and of course, because of the situation we are experiencing, so usually the applications is done online application. All right, so let's take a look one by one for all of this. So auto mechanic in Quebec, Canada. So there are 5 vacancies. So applications is until August 22 by First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporation agency. So this is the agency offering for this one. So the address is 3rd floor GLC building number 8 and Ramirez Street, Don Manuel, Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Alright, so principal project is First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporation. So qualifications for this is male, 25 years old and above, minimum of 5 years experience, Filipino, at least vocational diploma, short course certificate. I think for this one is for manpower pooling only. So oh yeah, before we go for this, I need to check to you for the status of this agency. Okay, so this is the job orders approved by agency as of July 15, 2020. So this is the POE website where we can check for the job orders approved. All right, so these are the country, position, date approved, and the job orders. All right, so the latest here is Canada here. So they got Canada, New Zealand, Canada, Hungary, Canada. All right, so don't worry for this because they have lots of approved job orders for Canada. Okay, but for this one, maybe still for auto mechanic, maybe still manpower for manpower pooling. Maybe the job orders is on its process. So these are the additional information for this. I think this is the duties of this auto mechanic, guys. Alright, so it says inspecting vehicle engine and mechanical electrical components to diagnose issues accurately, inspecting vehicle computer and electronic systems to repair, maintain, and upgrade, conducting routine maintenance work aiming to vehicle functionality and longevity, inspect vehicle engine and mechanical electrical components to diagnose issues accurately, inspect vehicle computer and electronic systems to repair, maintain, and upgrade, conduct routine maintenance work, replacing fluids, lubricating parts, etc., aiming to vehicle functionality, schedule future maintenance sessions, and advise motorists on good vehicle use, repair and replace broken or dysfunctional parts and fix issues, e.g. leaks, provide accurate estimates, cost, time, effort for a repair or maintenance job, keep logs on work and issues, maintain equipment and tools in good condition. Alright, so for this agency, guys, First Dynamic, so this is the email of this email address for this agency, dynamics123 at gmail.com. So these are also the contact numbers where you can inquire for additional information for this. Alright, so another is Welding Inspector. Welding Inspector in Quebec, Canada. So there are 5 vacancies for this. It is same, guys, by First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporation offering these vacancies, guys. So for the qualifications for this welding inspector, must be male, 25 years old and above, minimum 5 years experience, Filipino, at least bachelor's college degree. Alright, for the qualifications for this is senior welder assembler experience or welding inspector that oversee quality and safety of company's welding activities, responsible for inspecting and assessing the strength and quality of welds, ensures correct equipment being used, checks welds specifications and ensures safety regulations, ability to read and understand demand, check if work or man is right, e.g. making, plotting, drilling, oxy cutting, make visual check to make sure everything is in flow. Alright, okay, so this is the email address for this agency, dynamics123 at gmail.com, and their contact numbers. So that's this welding inspector. So this one is auto mechanic. So I've already welder fitter, MIGTIG. So this is the welder fitter, MIGTIG. So there are 20 vacancies for this, and application is until August 21st. So by First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporation. So qualifications is male, 25 years old and above, minimum of 5 years experience, Filipino, at least vocational diploma, short course certificate. So this job has no placement fee. So this is great. So qualifications, must welder fitter experience, can communicate well in English, must it didn't indicate for the age limit, at least 5 years total minimum experience in welding, must be college level or high school graduates with vocational 2 years any course, or at least having tested the certificate of 4 consecutive trainings. Alright, so for the description, can interpret or understand any technical blueprints, drawings, symbols of an architectural or engineering plan, must know how to weld using VCAW, GMAW, MIG, or GTAW, TIG process. Must know how to weld using various materials such as stainless steel, aluminum metal, plasma cutting, carbon steel, etc. Must able to operate heavy equipment, vehicles using forklift, overhead crane, excavator, backhoe, graders, trenchers, loaders, tower cranes, dump trucks, etc. Alright, so this is the email address for this agency where you can send your resume and their contact details. So another is couple housekeeper. So they are also in need of couple housekeeper. So there are 5 vacancies for this. So applications is until August 2020. So same agency, guys, offering by First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporation. Alright, for the qualifications for this is male or female, 25 years old and above, minimum 5 years experience, Filipino, at least bachelor's college degree. I think I think for this is still on process. Maybe the job order for this because it says here for manpower pooling only. So qualifications is must be legally married, male must have driver's license, female must know how to cook. So duties and responsibilities: responsible for maintaining cleanliness in the house or around work as cleaner, driver, launderer, gardener, etc. Okay, so email address is dynamics123@gmail.com and contact numbers. So I already had the welder fitter, so the CNC machinist. I think I already posted here for my previous one. So CNC machinist in Quebec, Canada. So there are 50 vacancies for this. Application is until August 19 by IPAMS, guys. IPAMS Industrial Personnel and Management Services Incorporation. I think for my previous one, I have already posted this one. So this agency is, I know that they are offering no placement fee and no processing fee for this. Okay, so let's see first IPAMS. Alright, so this is the status of this IPAMS agency. So these are the country that they had already job approved: Bahrain, UAE, Canada here. So they had already Canada, all this one. Attendant, housekeeping room, and so all of this at Canada. Sorry, here you go. Okay, so qualifications for this one: CNC machinist, male, 30 years old and above, minimum 4 years experience, Filipino at least high school diploma. So qualifications is at least high school graduate, minimum of 4 years related work experience, must know knowledgeable in programming, must have training related to the field, has an ability to communicate in English. Alright, so how do you apply in IPAMS is you need to apply online, or for those who are close to to this agency in Metro Manila. So this is their address: IPAMS Building, 2723 Aurora Boulevard, New Manila, Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines. So to apply online is you need to in your browser, internet browser, you need to type www.ipams.com and you can apply online for this, because I know for the we are experiencing, so it's only online applications for those who not living in Metro Manila. Or you can also download their mobile apps, IPAMS mobile app, which is free. Okay. Alright, so vinyl installer. So this vinyl installer is in Vancouver, Canada. So there are 5 vacancies for this by First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporation, guys. So qualifications for this is male, 25 years old and above, minimum 5 years experience, Filipino at least college level. So must have a minimum 5 years of working experience in flooring installation, including sheet vinyl. Must have carpentry skills. Must have experience in kitchen renovation. Must have painting skills. Must have plumbing skills, at least 25. It didn't indicate for. Alright, so it didn't indicate for the age limit. Must have experience in kitchen renovation, painting skills, plumbing skills with IELTS band, must be band score 6. So email address, first dynamics123@gmail.com and their contact numbers. So another is hi. All right. So another is farm worker by offered by MEC International Manpower Resources Incorporated. So address for this is Units 2 and 3, ground floor and second floor, GP Complex, J. Chodore Street Corner, 4th Avenue, Grace Park West, Caloocan City, Metro Manila, Philippines. So these are their uh, contact numbers. Alright, so let's see for the status of this agency. So we are here on POA website where we can always check for the status of this agency. And alright, so these are the job approved by agency of July 15. So agency is MEC International Manpower Resources Incorporation. Alright, so this agency is legit agency, guys, offering this. Okay, so country, Bahrain, Canada, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Oman. So they have already Canada here, guys. UK. Alright. Okay, so there are 20 vacancies for farm worker. So application is until August 18. So qualifications for this is male to 40 years old and above, minimum of 1 year experience, Filipino at least vocational diploma, short course certificate. So this is great because this job has no placement fee. So salary and compensation, basic salary 16 or 20 CAD per hour. So needed requirements is updated resume with 2x2 picture, certificates of employment, picture of workplace being farmer, email all the needed requirements. So interested applicants must send their updated resume in Microsoft Word format, editable with complete duties and responsibilities for each specific position, attached with 2x2 picture wearing business attire, incomplete and PDF or image resume will not accepted. Email your Skype name and Skype ID because of course the interview will be done online through Skype. Please apply at, so this is where you can apply, skill.mecmanpower@gmail.com. Alright, so please be guided accordingly. So this is the email address where you can send all your documents, skill.mecmanpower@gmail.com. Okay, so another is floor installer in Vancouver, Canada. So there are 5 vacancies. Some offered by First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporation. So qualifications for this floor installer is male, 25 years old and above, minimum of 5 years experience, Filipino at least college level undergraduate. So floor installer have minimum of 5 years of working experience in flooring installation, including sheet vinyl, must have carpentry skills, experience in kitchen renovation, painting skills, plumbing skills, at least 25. It didn't indicate for the age limit, with IELTS band score of 6. So please email your application to dynamics123@gmail.com, and these are their contact numbers for more information. Alright, so thank you for your time watching. This is Julie again, saying have a great day. I hope we are all safe and sound. If you're still new for my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. See you again on my next video. Bye bye.